kay RD Jose details na.
Yeah, I received that information na naay nagpaila nga siya si Regional Director sa DSWD. But I think it uses another name. But there was also several callers na nanawag sa amo ang supplier saying that nagsugo si RD nga mangayo o kwarta kay gamiton sa mga different activities. In other words, people are using my name to generate funds in the guise that they are the regional director. Unya, ilan i-post. And we have denied this several times. In fact, nagpa-post dito sa Facebook page saying that the regional director did not, has not, and will not authorize anyone to ask for money or any support, even gifts to anyone, especially suppliers. So there is no such thing under our administration. In fact, transparent ang atong administration. Apil na diha kung ang DSWD recognized as a performing agency and there is a corresponding cash prize, it is deposited with the cashier to be used for the improvement of the field office because we have received several recognition with corresponding cash prize. So, inana ang atong transparency and we report that to every member of the DSWD family. So, wala tayo isugo o hinaot, manawagan dyan ko sa publiko, kung nahin mo tawag ninyo mong gamit na Shalane Lucero, please report it to us. We have posted the number. And please tell them that there is no such authority provided to anyone to make such campaign for donation or asking for any monetary or in-kind support. Murag wala, sir. Kay nalibay kay Mino, kay ang usa, murag tulog ka supplier, nga mga natawgan, sila may na-concern. In fact, ang ilang comment niyon, una, ang Regional Director Bisaya ang nanawag ng Tinagalog. Ikaduha, ang Regional Director, wala yun nakikimamat nila because we have a no-contact policy under the procurement law. I have never talked to any supplier. I have not met those suppliers. We did not have the chance to discuss. But I remember before sa Kalahi nga naay suppliers forum, and the intention of this is just to put across the message telling all the suppliers, do not attempt to give to any, even the members of the Bids and Awards Committee of the DSWD.